Hello students, welcome to class. Can you guess why we smell delicious food from the kitchen even when we are in another room? Get ready for a fun journey to science. But first, let's recall what we did in our last class. In our last class, we explained feeding habits in animals. And we also explored the categories of feeding habits in animals. Now, let's look at the lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Define transport system, diffusion, and osmosis. 2. Understand the importance of diffusion and osmosis. 3. Explore the need for transportation. Now, let's begin with the transport system. Transport system in plants and animals refers to the movement of metabolic materials from various parts of the organism where they are produced to the part where they are either used, stored, or removed from the body. Let's see how the transport system works. The transport system works with the help of diffusion and osmosis. They are the fundamental process behind it. Let's start with diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of particles from a region of high concentration to a low concentration until evenly spread. The particles can be in the form of liquid, gas, or solid state. An example is the smell of perfume spreading in a room. In diffusion, smaller particles diffuse faster, while larger particles diffuse more slowly. We will look at the importance of diffusion to plants and animals. In plants, diffusion is important in the following ways. 1. It enables the movement of carbon dioxide through the stomata of leaves during respiration. 2. It allows water vapor to leave the leaves during transpiration. 3. It facilitates the movement of oxygen into the leaves through the stomata during respiration. Let's see the importance of diffusion to animals. 1. It allows the intake of oxygen and nutrients from the mother to the fetus through the placenta. 2. It enables gaseous exchange in mammals to occur in the lungs during respiration. 3. It facilitates the movement of carbon dioxide from the lung capillaries into the air sacs. Now, we will look at osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules through a semipermeable membrane from a region of low solute concentration to a high solute concentration. For osmosis to take place, there are three major conditions involved. 1. There must be a presence of a stronger solution. For example, sugar or salt solution. 2. There must be a presence of a weaker solution. An example is distilled water. In case you are wondering what distilled water is, I'm here to explain that. Distilled water is water that has been purified through the process of distillation, which removes impurities and contaminants, including salts, minerals, and microorganisms. Let's move on to the third condition necessary for osmosis to take place. There must be a presence of a selectively or differentially permeable membrane. This means there must be something that allows certain substances to pass through while blocking others. In osmosis, the weaker solution is called hypotonic, while the stronger solution is called hypertonic. Then, when both solutions have the same concentration, they are called isotonic. Let's see the importance of osmosis. 1. Osmosis regulates water movement between cells and blood, maintaining hydration and solute balance. 2. It plays a key role in reabsorbing water during urine formation. 3. Osmosis enables water to move from the soil into root hair cells and then into the xylem for transport throughout the plant. Having discussed the importance of diffusion and osmosis, let's explore the need for transportation in organisms. The primary purpose of the transport system is to move materials throughout the bodies of plants and animals. 1. It helps regulate body temperature by transporting and distributing heat produced in the body. 2. It ensures that every cell in the organism obtains essential materials for metabolism, such as oxygen and water. 3. Hormones in both plants and animals are transported from where they are produced to where they are needed. 4. It facilitates the removal and disposal of metabolic waste products, such as carbon dioxide, water, and urea, from the body. We've come to the end of this class. Please carry out the following classwork. 1. Define diffusion and osmosis. 2. State 3 importance of diffusion in plants. 3. State 2 needs for transportation in organisms. Before we call it a day, let's review what we've learned today. In today's lesson, we define transport system, diffusion, and osmosis. We also discussed the importance of diffusion and osmosis. We were also able to identify the need for transportation in organisms. In our next class, we will dive into materials for transportation. Thanks for watching. See you soon.